I'm going to unbox the first summer photo book of CRAVITY, which is Come Together Play version and the Come Together Rest version, which contains the planner, photocard set, polaroid, basically mga ano to. These are the small stuff. This one contains the photo book at saka bookmark and paper ornament. So, bubuksan natin to pareho. Yeah, let's go. Play version contains the photo book, DVD, bookmark set, at saka paper ornament. And then if you will look at the label, so Starship at saka Tower Records, because this was bought from Tower Records. And then the region is 2, at saka there's only 2 types of subtitles, so Korean and Japanese lang. So walang English. Ayan. Ano lang siya, made of carton lang siya. This reminds me of Ice One Secret Diary. Oh my god, ang kapal ng photo book. When I open, oh, so this one is the DVD. So this is the DVD. See, come, play. Ah, galing ah. Come Together, play. Region 2, only Japanese and Korean subtitle. So walang English. Babalik mo siya, nakatapat yung word na play dun sa butas. Aesthetic. Kaya, ayan. Eh, balik ko na ayos yun. Okay, natin na natin itong photobook. Yee! Chutumating! And that is the photo book. Ito yung bookmark niya. Para siyang pill. At saka, ayan o. May member group photo pala sa likod yan. Ayan o. This one. This is parang blue. At saka, this one. Ayan. Wow. Yung pala yung bookmark. Ano pala ito nasa loob? Hindi ko nakita. Paper ornament. Okay. So again, this one contains the DVD. It contains the photo book. Tapos, and bookmark set. At saka, ito pala. Paper ornament. Yan. Wow. Saan ko ilalagay yan? And this is the Come Together Play version. Yay! Okay, this one contains the planner, photocard set, color photo set, color polaroid set, clear postcard, checklist, sticker set, message card, and mini postcard set. Wow! Mas maraming laman tong merch. Pagbuka ito. Wow! Ayan. Wow! So it contains photocard set, polaroid set, message cards, postcard set, planner, notepad, poster! Wow! A4 size lang yung poster. Mukha silang masaya dito. Ilang posters to? the group 1. Another group 1. Ito, hawak tenga. Oh my god. Ito, hawak tela. Hawak kumot. Ito naman, hawak tenga. And then, this one is parang picnic one. And, another group photo. Super high quality na mga photos. So, this is the mini poster. Planner. Yes. Ito talaga yung binibili mo eh. Pagbuklat mo yung planner, pero ang laman, pictures nila. Ayan, puro siya bilog. And, wow, tingnan natin yung group pics. Ayan. Ang saya naman ito. Ano ito? Nakakabayo sila. At ito baliktad naman. Parang ayoko sulatan. Wow. Tingnan sa bahay sila. Yan. And that is the last photo. Yan, tulog na sila. Napagod na. So this is the planner. Notepad. I don't know if I will open this kasi tingin ko naman may picture. So bubuksan ko pa rin. Parang checklist yung style na notepad niya. Yan. Parang ayoko sulatan. May kasama siyang stickers. Member stickers. Nasaan yung kay Yongjun? Ito kay Yongjun. Bag. Okay. Si Rim, Allen, Ubin. This one is the message card. Ang cute na message card kasi umiikot siya, roleta. Yeah. Tapos sa likod, diba, kay Allen. Ayan yung message ni Allen. Hanapin natin yung kay Yongjun. Yongjun. So, ayan yung message ni Yongjun. Babasa na lang. This is the message card. And postcard set. There's a clear card sa likod. Ang ganda ng quality ng photo. The quality of hindi siya postcard. Para siyang bromide photo. Photo print siya. Serim, Allen, Jongmo, Ubin, Wonjin, Mini, Yongjun, Taeyang, Sungmin, and group photo. Super worth it nito. Ang daming laman. Color Polaroid. Serim, Allen, Jongmo, Wubin, Wonjin, Mini, Yongjun, Taeyang, and Sungmin. May iba-iba siyang kulay. So may orange, there's the green one, and then the blue one. Wow. This one, photocard set. Serim, Allen, Jongmo, subunit, Ubin, Wonjin, Mini, subunit, Yongjun, Taeyang, Sungmin, at saka group photo. So ayan siya. This is the photocard set. So again, this is the come together rest version. This is the first summer photo book of CRAVITY. Thanks for watching. Annyeong!